have seen places like this peak covered in relay towers and wondered about their purpose. The natural elevation of these high peaks make them very convenient to relay radio, television, and even internet signals from surrounding low points to send that signal out across great distance. We had a similar need to send a serial data from a low valley behind a mountain range up over the top and out across an adjacent valley. I had the opportunity to go to the top of a tall mountain in southern Idaho in the middle of the winter to install our new solar kit in a daisy chain application for the Surefire serial bridge. Up on top of this 6,000 foot peak, the wind was blowing 40 miles an hour. The kit has to be durable and provide the necessary power in all weather conditions. The serial data had to go from the valley far below to this mountain daisy chain point across to the other valley, a 37-mile shot. In order to carry all the installation equipment, we took a tracked Argo and barreled up through the snowdrifts to get this in place. As the ground was quite frozen, we opted to use a tripod mount for a temporary installation. We'll add a pole when it thaws and secure it with stakes that we barely got through into the frozen ground. The solar panel is mounted using a Renogy pole mount kit available on Amazon and connected to the Surefire solar kit with the 100-watt panel. Even on a windy, cloudy, and sometimes snowy day, the panel provided 17.8 volts and a third of an amp charging for the 7 amp hour battery. As you can see, we're up at the top of this mountain. Just got this Surefire solar application put in, and it's a little bit on the chilly side, but we're up here. We've got used the Surefire kit, and we're excited this is going to be talking all the way up here.
This is perfect. I've got the Surefire, which auto-detected that it's in its baud rate, and my computer sees it as a serial kit. It couldn't work any better.
This system here proved that it's a viable system and does not fail. It's a good, dependable system.
And so win the bid with Surefire. For technical and install support, call us at 844-787-3340.